Let's take a look at the Create a New Vendor page. The Create a New Vendor page allows you to efficiently manage third-party vendor relationships, upload contracts and documents, set review dates, and more. If we add a new vendor, you can see here we could enter their company name. What category is this vendor? Maybe they're a courier service. What's the importance of this new vendor to our business? Are they non-essential, significant, important, high importance, mission critical? The address information of the new vendor, the primary contact information, and the secondary contact information. On the right hand side is where we would enter the contract or document information. This is a free-form field where we can type in what type of document or contract this is. We'll call this a master agreement. What's the original contract date? Last date renewed. This is the last time the contract was renewed. Might be the same as the original date. Future renewal date. This is the date the contract will renew in the future. What's the contract term? This is in months. Contracts on file. If we had already uploaded contracts for this vendor, we would have a drop-down box here where we could choose which contract we were trying to identify. Decision maker. This is the person in your organization responsible for accepting this contract. You can also get contract reminders. This is how many months prior to the renewal or expiration date of the contract should an email be sent out. Email flag date. This is an email that will be sent for whatever reason if the date is entered. Also, you can set up email reminders, subsequent email notifications after your initial email reminder. And who do we want to remind? We can put their email addresses in here. If this is a very important contract and we want to report to the CEO if the contract expires or is getting close to expiring without any action being taken, we can say yes or no, put in their email address, and then the next action due field is a free-form field for notes about the document. And then finally we can decide whether we want to risk score this vendor or not.